In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. It will take a couple of seconds, so all you need to really do is go into the menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, so when I click, it turned blue. That means that location is enabled, so to disable it, hit the same shortcut again. Can't find your shortcut? Don't worry, you are not the only one. That's because sometimes it's hidden after first setup. To change it, tap on this icon at the top of a square and a little line, this one. Click on this plus icon under your current shortcuts. Look for location one here. Let's just go with this one for example, and click on this button at the top right corner of your shortcut, the plus one. Then select close and make sure to tap on this check mark at the top right corner. Now, if you have a little more time, you can also go into settings. Scroll here to click on location section under privacy and use the switcher next to access my location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!